Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. This unit is a DeLonghi Magnifica, and customer said on the initial startup when it was rinsing the unit through the spouts, the water was kind of weak. But other than that, it functioned pretty well. So we diagnosed it and found that the pump was getting a bit bad, and replaced the pump and a few gaskets around the brew group that's just right behind the front door. Now it's running like a charm, so let's run a shot. Cheers. Grind the coffee. There we have it.
I saw the sign, I figured.
There's pre-infusion.
Yeah.
And there you have it. There we go. As you can see, it's coming out very strong. It's really good crema. It's just a really good shot. Very strong, very consistent. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.